Sliding window installation in Washington, D.C. is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our Sliding Windows Washington expert team specializes in installing vinyl sliding windows in Foggy Bottom and aluminum sliding windows in Navy Yard, ensuring a perfect fit and finish for every home. Window replacement services in Capitol Hill are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our skilled technicians provide comprehensive window frame replacement in Shaw and window glass replacement in Woodley Park, restoring your windows to their original condition. Energy-efficient windows in Georgetown are a smart investment for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our custom window solutions in DuPont Circle include double-pane windows in Logan Circle and window insulation in the U Street corridor, designed to keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer. Custom window solutions in DuPont Circle offer personalized options to meet your specific needs. Whether you need window hardware in Mount Pleasant or sliding window locks in Brooklyn, our Sliding Windows Washington team can provide the perfect solution for your home. Window replacement in Adams Morgan is a seamless process with our experienced team. We offer a wide range of options, including window tinting in Southwest Waterfront and window glazing in Noma, to enhance the look and performance of your windows. Vinyl sliding windows in Foggy Bottom are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance. Our window maintenance services in Anacostia ensure your windows remain in top condition, with regular window cleaning services in West End and window caulking in Glover Park. Aluminum sliding windows in Navy Yard provide a sleek, modern look for any home. Our sliding glass doors in Columbia Heights complement these windows perfectly, offering a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Window maintenance in Anacostia is vital for prolonging the life of your windows. Our services include window sealing in Petworth and window weatherproofing in Tenleytown, protecting your home from the elements. Sliding glass doors in Columbia Heights are an excellent addition to any home, providing easy access to outdoor areas. Our window screen installation in Cleveland Park ensures your home remains bug-free while enjoying fresh air. Window sealing in Petworth is a critical step in preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Our window caulking services in Glover Park provide a tight seal, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Window frame replacement in Shaw is necessary for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our Sliding Windows Washington team also offers window consultation in the H Street corridor to help you choose the best options for your home. Double-pane windows in Logan Circle are an excellent choice for noise reduction and energy efficiency. Our window insulation services in the U Street corridor further enhance these benefits, providing a comfortable living environment. Window insulation in the U Street corridor is essential for maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. Our window weatherproofing services in Tenleytown protect your home from harsh weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance.